Sir, like,
Hmm.
sir, like a new chapter you're asking.
New chapter we have finished now. First term portion goes over, right? First term portion got over. No, nothing is pending in out of it, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So in first part, if you're having any doubts, any kind of doubt if you're having.
Sir, I'll just.
रे तो स्मार्ट बंदा है एकदम. Okay. Any chapter you want to start? Any objective type questions you want to solve? Any objective type questions you want from any chapter, particular chapter?
Sir, coordinate geometry.
Coordinate geometry. Let me check. Any questions are there bed from that? Final material. One material is there with me. Let me check whether we can do those things. One minute, Rasul. I'm just doing those coordinate only. Okay. 176 page. One 76. Others, shall we do that only? 176 page means coordinate geometry only. Others, okay. This is 17. A number of MCQ is mentioned over here. It's not mentioned which page. Huh?
After that, can we do this triangle exercise 6.4? Sir, I have done some.
Okay, okay, fine. I'll do that one. Others, wait for 1 minute. Pair triangles coordinate. Then 150. This is area, no? Area only. Can you hear me, Chanchal? Chanchal.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
How was the paper yesterday? No, no, day before yesterday. How was the paper?
Sir, I wrote it, sir. It was easy, sir.
It was easy.
Yeah, sir. But I think I made mistakes somewhere.
All questions you did mistake, a few questions only.
A few questions, probably.
Okay, so we do. How is your coordinate geometry? Coordinate geometry is fine. You know about coordinate geometry? Do you have
Yes,
revised?
sir.
Okay. So now we are going to start the sums based on coordinate geometry right now. Okay. Based on coordinate geometry, we are going to do MCQs. So class 10th MCQs. And this is coordinate. Okay. So first question is on the screen. Just what is this? The first question is, see, question number 1. Which option is correct? The point P on x-axis, equidistance from the points A and B is what?
So the answer is 2 comma 0.
2 comma 0. Anyone else? Rasool, Chanchal?
2 comma 0.
So 0 by 2 is 0, right?
Huh? You are getting 2 comma 0 only? A
Yes,
option
sir.
or B option? Rasool,
A option.
Yes.
Chanchal, you also got the same answer. Can you hear me, Chanchal? See if you can't understand this. I'm just solving in 1 minute. The point P on x-axis. X-axis is nothing but what we should take for others. For x-axis, what you have taken?
5 minus 1 by 2.
No. What is the coordinate on x-axis?
That is
How you got then answer? X-axis point
midpoint. Midpoint.
x comma 0 now.
Yes, sir.
So here this is point P and A is minus 1 comma 0 and this is 5 comma 0. If you don't know this x comma 0 only, how you can find? You can't find only, right? So
Yes.
a
Just
midpoint
a midpoint.
is not midpoint formula. This is equidistance formula, children. Equidistance. This is not midpoint. Rasool,
Yes, sir.
this is not midpoint. Remember, this is your equidistance formula. Means AP should be equal to what? BP. Don't use midpoint formula in this. Remember. So distance between this and this is how much? This distance between, see, either A is option is correct or C option is correct. Anyone is correct. Because x comma 0, you have to find x from here, right? So you can write here x plus 1 whole square and plus 0 square is equals to root of 5 minus x whole square. That's it, plus 0 only. So x plus 1 square, you can remove the square from both sides. We can write like this. Is it clear? So a square plus b square plus 2ab is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So x square get cancelled. 12x is equals to 24. So x is equal to 2 only. So luckily you got 2 comma 0. Luckily. Not all this will not be all the time correct, children. All the time is not correct. Remember. Some point also can be there. Means see, I told you so many times the difference between midpoint and equidistance. In midpoint, you can use directly x1 plus x2 divided by 2. y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Directly you can use. Okay. But equidistance means equidistant. Very important concept you remember. EQUI, equidistant. You have to use as what? AP is equals to, means two things you should write equal only. So these are the two important points you can remember to solve the problems based on this. Luckily here in this case, we got 2 comma 0. The few questions you won't get answer in that way. So here if there's a midpoint also, there also answer will remain the same. Okay. Here something if they give here 5 comma 4, then your answer will never come like this because x will never be 0. Means this x comma 0 will be there. No, there will never be 0, right? Something point you will get. Now question number 2. क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ? One minute. इसको इधर रखो. See the question number 2, Chanchal. Do question number 2, Adarsh, Rasool.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
You are having problem, Chanchal. You are having problem with your network. Check it across. Here network is full on 100 Mbps. Try to understand this question. If you're not getting, just tell me immediately. If you're getting the answers, write in the chat box. If the point P divides the line segment joining A and B, you can see here line segment is, you got the answer, Rasool, 1. Okay. So see children, here what is happening in this case, there's a line, okay? Here's a line. Line name is A and B. That is your A is 6,5 and B is 4,y. Any point P is there in between, that is in ratio 3:1. Okay. Others also got 1 only, fine others. And this P is 6,2. So we have to find y over here, right? So to find y, we take y only. Directly we can take y coordinate. So y is equal to, formula is m into y2 plus n into y1 divided by m plus n. So y यहाँ पे क्या है बोलो? Y is there 2. 2 is equals to m, that is 3 into y plus 1 into 5 divided by m plus n, that is 4. So 8 is equals to 3y plus 5. So 3y is equals to 3. So y is equals to 1. So everyone got the correct answer. Chanchal, you are able to hear? Chanchal.
Yes, sir. A bit voice breaking, but okay, sir.
See question number 3rd. 3rd is also easy question. 3rd is like, see, the coordinate of point which is reflection of point, Rasool and this one on your cameras. Chanchal is having network problem, Rasool and others. See, coordinate of point which is reflection of point -3, 5 in x-axis. Others, you can do this.
No, sir.
See, I'm just telling you right now, okay? See, this is your coordinate, okay? So first of all, you try to draw -3, 5. Where it lies, you can do Rasool. I think
Confusing.
so. Here it is -3, 5 means x is -3 and y is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this point is -3, 5. This point is clear to everyone. Why this is here? That you can do, no?
Yes, sir.
So here they are saying the mirror image, the reflection of point through x-axis. Here is the point. See, here is the mirror. So this point will looks here, here, or where? Which part it looks? It looks in first quadrant, second quadrant, third or fourth quadrant. Where it will come? If this is a mirror, where you can see? Either in first part, second, third, or fourth. Which part you can see?
Second, sir.
Third we can see, right, Rasool?
Yes, sir.
So how much down? See, x-axis will remain the same because here if you see, here everywhere -3 only will come. But last what will come? -3, -5. Y is -5. So -3, -5. So answer is it clear? So if you do practice, it will come easier. Remember that if you are writing anything, this is like very easy concept. If you are writing mirror image is x, no, so your x will not change, y will get changed. If this is y axis, then y will remain the same, x will get changed. Understood? That is shortcut. If you want to remember, you can remember in that way. If the reflection is on x-axis, then x is remain same, y will get changed. If reflection on y-axis, then y will be same, x will get changed. It's clear? Next question. Next question is very, very easy. A cos theta, B sin theta. Try to understand the question and do. The distance between the point A cos theta plus B sin theta comma 0 and see this distance, you can find it out or not. What is the distance between these two? Tell me, children.
Root over a square minus b square.
Root over a square minus b square.
Yes.
Okay. Rasul, you? A cos theta plus B sin theta minus 0 is that only whole square plus A sin theta minus B cos theta whole square. Like this only you are getting, Adarsh?
So between minus. Yes, yes.
So doubt, Adarsh?
Hold on, sir.
No doubt. Now you can expand this, right?
Yes.
Rasul, now you can do A square cos square theta plus B square sin square theta plus 2AB sin theta cos theta. Again, you should expand this one. So what you should write here? A square sin square theta plus B square cos square theta minus 2AB sin theta cos theta. And this everything is root. So what will get cancelled over here? Your this part and this part will get cancelled. So if you take this one common here, A and E here. So A square you take common, what will get answer inside the bracket? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Again here and here, B square is common. You'll get here sin square theta plus cos square theta. Is it clear till here?
Yes, sir.
So this is 1, this is 1. So your answer is root over A square plus B square. You told A square minus B square, Adarsh.
Yes.
See, the answer is A square plus B square only. Now it's clear, Rasul?
Yes, sir.
Now see question number 5th. 6th, I'll tell you, 6th one. Question number, you just put in the chat box if you're having doubt. Question number 6, I'm writing over here. Solve this question now. And after solving, write in the chat box.
So below it means
What, Adarsh?
that it is written the coordinates of point A on y-axis at a distance of 4 units from x-axis, and below it means
Coordinate of point A on y-axis at distance 4 unit from x-axis. And below it. Means below only you should see x-axis and below that. Not you should not see above one.
okay, sir.
Sir, I got the answer.
Answer is
Sir, it's D.
0, comma minus 4, right? Others, you also got the same answer?
Yes, sir, I sent you in chat box.
Okay, fine. Now question number 7th. Chanchal, you are getting it or not? Chanchal. See question number 7th now. The distance of a point 12, 5 from the, this is very easiest question. Very, very easy. Immediately, fast.
Sir, answer is 13.
13. Because understood? Others,
Oh, sir.
see here. Minus 12 lies on here. X-axis minus 12 will come. And 5 is here, right? And here they're asking distance from this point. This is, wait. Distance of point this 5, 12 will come here. Minus 12, 5 is this point. From origin, what is the distance? 0, 0. So root over directly you can write. From origin, if they ask anything, so directly you can write here 12 square plus 5 square. So we'll get root 169. Answer is 13. Okay. Origin they will ask, directly write whole square. So these questions we might finding easier. Now harder question I'm just taking from somewhere. Let me check a bit of a question number 10th. See question number 10th. If m by 3, comma 5 is the midpoint of the line segment joining Q and R, then the value of m is what? If m by 3, 5 is the midpoint of line segment Q and R. See here they are saying midpoint, children. They are not equidistance. Midpoint is very easy. If midpoint concept anywhere is coming, that is easier. So point Q and R. The point Q is minus 6, 7 and R is minus 2, 3. This is the point A.
Minus
Which,
12, sir, answer.
yeah, Rasul,
Same answer, sir.
minus 12.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that will be very easy. Minus 6 and minus 2 divided by 2 should be equal to m by 3, correct? Same thing, no?
Yes.
M by 3, so 3 get, eh? But here what happened?
Sir, the 2.
Here is 2.
Sir.
Okay. So 24 by 2, that is your minus 12 is the answer, correct? The midpoint of line segment, this is A. Next type of question is x-axis divides the line segment. X-axis divide the line segment adjoining 2, minus 3 and 5, 6 are in ratio. Ratio you should find. Teja, are you there in meeting? I didn't know only you are there in the meeting. You're not speaking anything. Teja, I'll send you out. You are not speaking anything, not on the camera also. No respond from your side. Teja Gangarappu, your network is proper.
Sir, 1 by 2.
1 by 2. Okay, 1:2, right? Okay, fine. Others, you?
How to do it, sir?
So here is x comma 0. This is 2 comma minus 3. This is 5 comma 6. This is 2 and this is, sorry, this is 5 and this is 6. So x only you should find or what? In the ratio.
5 and
Yeah.
6.
Wait. This is not 5 and 6, no. So this kind of question, how we are doing, Rasul, we should write k is to 1, right? K is to 1 the easier way, you know, others. K is the easier way to solve. So here 0 is given. So we solve here ky part only, okay? Y is equals to m y2 minus n y1 divided by, sorry, my2 plus ny1, right? Divided by m plus n, correct? Plus ny1 or minus ny1? So 0 is equals to 5k, sorry, not 5k. 6k we should write, correct? So 0 is equal to 6k minus 3 divided by k plus
K
1.
plus
So 6k minus 3 is equals to 0. So 6k is equal to 3. K is equal to 1 by 2. So ratio is k is to 1. Rasul, the ratio is k is to 1. It means 1 by 2 is to 1. So answer is what? 1 is to 2. Your answer same only you got? Or 2 is to 1 you
yes.
got? 1 is to 2 only, right?
So 1 is to 2, yeah.
You got others? How to do? Okay. Teja and Chanchal, both are silent children. Okay. Now see question number 13th. 13th is not required. It's easy question. Now question number 16th you see. 16th, that is. See this question. Can you do this?
Sir, I got it as 1.
Did you got the answer, Rasul?
Yes, sir, A option.
The option. Others you?
Didn't get.
How you have to do this one? Rasul, which method you have solved? Rasul. Collinear. How you have solved, Rasul? Tell me.
Sir, collinear method.
Which method is that? What is the formula of it? AB plus BC equal to AC. This formula? Or any other formula you have used?
Sir, this formula.
Okay. AB, if you find here, what do you get? AB. If distance is what? A square plus B square we get, no? And BC will get what? B square only, right? 0 minus 1, 1 square, 1. How you're finding this one? 1 minus 0 whole square is 1 only. And 1 minus B whole square plus 1 minus B whole square is equal to AC. AC is a minus 1 whole square plus 1 square. Like this only we have done, Rasul or some other method. Rasul.
So like this.
So how will come this here how answer will come? Tell me. Here no need to only solve, only how to solve we don't know, only this one. How to solve? Tell me. Like this only if you want to solve, how do you solve? Tell Rasul. We can use triangle method if you want. Area of triangle, you know. If area of triangle is 0, then we can do this. What is the area of triangle? Half, you know. Area of triangle, Adarsh. X y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus so plus x3 y1 minus y2. Others you solve like this on this method. To try once. Rasul, you just send me if you are having clarification. You can just take the screenshot and send to me on WhatsApp. Rasul.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? Tell me now, others.
Given this,
So here x1, y1, you know, no, here, see.
yes,
X1 is this one. You have sent me Rasul.
I'm sending, sir.
Okay. Now here half and is equal to 0 should come, others. Okay. So here x1 is a into y2 minus y3. So y2 is b minus 1 plus x2, that is 0. 0 only will come, 0 multiplied by anything. And x3 1 and y1 is 0 minus y2, that is b. So half ab minus a plus, sorry, minus b. It's coming in this way.
I sent you, sir.
You sent me. Okay, 1 minute. Let me check. I got. Achha, this one only you have used here, no? Others, Rasul?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here AB minus A minus B is equals to 0. So if after this you can write here AB minus A minus B is equals to 0. So A plus B is equal to AB. Correct. So how will get AB? So if you divide by AB on both sides, you'll get 1 by A plus 1 by B is equals to 1. Is it clear, Adarsh?
yes,
Sir, like, is my process correct?
Yeah, it's correct only. Because we
Okay.
have to get 1 by A plus 1 by B. So when we get 1 by A and 1 by B, A divided by AB, A will get cancelled, will get 1 by B from first. Again 1 by A will get first. Then is equal to AB by AB. It's correct only. Very nice. Understood, Adarsh?
Yes, sir.
Then question number 17th now. See question 17, try to understand this question.
So it's 0, sir.
0, okay. See, it's not a diameter. They are saying point on the circle. Remember that. So this is equidistance, not midpoint. Understood, Adarsh?
Sir, it's like that.
So if the is AB is a diameter, then it is the mid, O is the midpoint. Remember that. Okay. So here children will get confused again. So this is not the diameter. This is equidistance thing will come. Understood? So this is, you have done by equidistance or what? Others?
I get the
Equidistance or midpoint you have done.
midpoint.
If AB is diameter, then you can say midpoint. That's why don't confuse again and again. So here,
Sir, I got the answers 2.
answer is 2. Okay. Others, you got what?
0, sir.
They have done midpoint formula. That's why you're getting 0. So see, 4 minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus 3 whole square is equals to root over x minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 3 whole square. Root will get cancelled from both sides. So 2a square, here 0 only, is equals to x minus 2 whole square plus 2 whole square, 2a square. So this will get cancelled. So x minus 2 whole square is equal to 0. The x minus 2 is equal to also 0, right? So x is equal to 2. It's clear, Adarsh? So if they give midpoint, then you can use that easy formula. So they may ask to confuse you this like question. Teja, it's clear to you, you're not responding anything. Teja and Chanchal. Chanchal,
Yes, sir.
what? Why you're not responding? You're not getting this?
Sir, got it, sir.
Okay. Now you have to answer me this 18th one. The ratio in which the points 2, y divides the join of -4, 3 and 6, 3. Hence the value of y is. The first you should find y, obviously. The ratio in which point this divide the line joining this. So 2 y you know means obviously you can find easily. 2, y is mentioned. So 2, either only first option is only correct, no children here. If you see the option, if you're here, they have given 2, y. It means that 2 is to y over 3 only will come. There's no other option should be possible, right? Without solving.
Yes, sir.
Rasul, there is no other chance only now, right?
Sir, I am getting sir 3 is to 2, y equal to 3.
Yeah, sir. Option C.
3 is to 2, you are saying. 3 is to 2.
Yeah, sir. 3
Yes,
is to 2, y
Sir,
equal
C
to
only,
3.
sir.
See, sir.
Okay, fine. You people did correctly only. See, that's why I thought you do directly only 2 comma 3 you can write, but not like that. So your ratio we should find, it means that ratio is m and n, right? Or k is to 1, your wish. So a is minus 4 comma 3 and b is 6 comma 3. This point is 2 comma y. So y only, just y is unknown. 2 we know, right? So x we just open with x. So x is equals to m x2 plus m x1 divided by m plus, sorry, n x1 m plus n. So k 6k plus nk, n is 1. So minus 4 will come, divided by k minus k plus 1. And here x is what? 2. So 2k plus 2 is equals to 6k minus 4. So 4k is equal to 6. So k is equal to what you are getting? 3
6
by
by
2.
4.
Yeah, 3 is to 2 will come.
Yeah, sir.
3 is to 2. Now value of y they are asking. So now you should put the value of y. The y formula is m y2 minus n y1 divided by, sorry, plus n y1 divided by m.
Value of y equal to 3.
How you are getting 3, Teja?
So wait a minute. 3.
Yes, sir.
Where's your camera? On your camera first.
Sir, I'm on PC, sir. I don't have a cam. Hello, sir.
Tell Teja. 3k minus what we should write? 3k minus 3k plus 3, right? Divide by m plus 1 means k plus 1. And y is equal to, you know, k value here. K is 3, right?
Yeah, sir.
So 3 into 3 plus 3 divided by 3 plus 1. So 12 by 4. So answer is what? 3. Like this only, Teja?
Sir, I think I did in a wrong way.
So what you are getting?
Sir, I'm getting 3 only. 3 into 3 plus 2 into 3 by 3 plus 2. Y is equal to 9 plus 6 by 5. 9 plus 6 equal to 15 by 5. 5 3 is a 15. Y equal to 3.
You got 3, no?
Yeah, sir.
Fine only.
Okay, sir.
But why you're not turning the camera? I don't know. Why you every time you are having problem with camera? Sir,
No,
shall I call to your parents? Every time you're having the same problem. Triangles you want to do, others?
Sir.
Okay. From next class we'll start. Triangles only will start off. From next class we'll do, because we did so many. Others?
Not MCQ, sir. This exercise 6.5 I have doubts.
Okay, 6.5 you are having doubt, right?
Sir,
Yes.
I
Some
don't have a
number
doubt,
3.
sir.
Okay. Others you can just message the Wise app. Okay, I'll just do, and that will take less time only. You just message in the Wise app, or you can WhatsApp me. Better you just send in the Wise app.
13 questions, sir.
Which question? Tell me the question number.
13 questions, sir.
18th one. 18th
No,
one.
sir. Third question to 17 questions, sir.
All doubt you are having, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. From next class, we'll do the same exercise only. 6.4, right?
6.5, sir.
6.5. Okay. That is optional, or last exercise? Optional or what?
Not optional, sir.
Okay, last one. No, you are asking 3 to. We'll do next class. That whole exercise we do off. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have doubt at 22nd question.
Which one? Which 22nd? Triangles only.
Coordinate geometry, sir.
Means what we are doing, this one only, this page
Yes,
only.
sir. Yeah. Yes.
Oh, okay, fine.
Sir, it's if x minus 2y plus k equal to 0.
One minute.
Sir, should I keep it in WhatsApp or we will do in class, next class?
No, I'll do in class directly. Next class, I'll just do this, start the Zoom, because today we are having only 5 to 7 minutes. No.
Okay, sir.
Rasul, this actually question you are not having it here. This one is a median thing, right? If you want to do also, there's a median kind of thing. If you want, I'll just tell in the next class. But this median part is not there in syllabus for class 10th this year. Okay.
Yes.
Hmm. This question you are saying, right?
Yes, sir.
X minus 2y plus k is equal to 0 is a median of triangle whose vertices are at the points this, and this. So actually, this is easy question only. You try at home once, see. But median part is not. See, this is your, what is median? Median
Sir,
divide is, huh? What is median, Rasul? If this is a median of triangle whose vertices are at point A, B, and C, the value of k. So A point is -1, 3, B is 0, 4, and C is -5, 2. So what else we can do in this question? Anything you can think about this question? What you can think? Anything you can think, Rasul? Others, can you do? Others, Sanchal or Teja?
sir.
Because others, Rasul is having doubt. You children can help him out if you are if you know this.
Sir, can you explain this some? I'm not getting it, sir.
Okay. See, his question is, if,
Sir?
yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, sir. I know the answer, but I think it's not a correct answer.
If you know the answer, but it's not a correct answer, what do you mean?
Sir, can I tell the answer?
Okay, tell the answer.
Like a
What is-
direct answer.
direct answer you tell.
So k equal to 8.
How we are guessing this?
It's not a guess, sir.
2, 4, 6, 8.
Minus 1 plus 0 minus 5 by 3.
Huh.
And 3 plus 4 plus 2 by 3 whole.
Huh.
Minus 2 minus 6 plus k equal to 0.
Acha.
Minus of minus plus, sir. So 6 plus 2 equal to 8.
Acha. So see what he is trying to say, Rasul and others. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. This is x3, y3, right? So what he
Yes,
is
sir.
doing, is formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 divide by 3 he is doing. What Teja is telling that this is the coordinate of x-axis, and y1 plus y2 plus y3 divide by 3. This is the coordinate of what? Y-axis. This is the centroid part. He is telling that this is what? Centroid part.
Centroid.
So x1 is -1, x2 is 0, x3 is -5. Divide by 3, and y1 is 3 plus 4 plus 2 divided by 3. So what do you get? -6 by 3, that is -2. And here is 3. So this is the centroid of triangle ABC. This is the centroid of triangle ABC. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now see, what?
Centroid part is not done, sir. An example.
Yeah, you are not having actually. I told no before, but Rasul asked, that's why I was discussing here. Then you have to find the value of k here. How to find the value of k now? So here we are having what? This is x and this is y, right? So this x and y should satisfy this one, right, children? This is the median, no? So this x and y, what we got the centroid value, this should satisfy this equation. Okay, Rasul? So what you should write here? -2 into 3 plus k should be equal to 0. Understood?
Eight, sir, answer. Eight.
So here -2 minus 6 plus k is equal to 0. So k is equal to -8. In that way, should do this x and y should satisfy this equation because this is the only median of the triangle. It's clear, Rasul?
Yes, sir, I got it.
So keep on solving these questions, Rasul. This coordinate you try to solve. Okay, if you're having doubt, you can just ask in the next class.
Okay, sir.
Adarsh,
Yes.
you can also do the same thing. Keep on solving the questions. Don't read every chapter at a time. First, you go through one chapter, complete it thoroughly. Then only you move to other chapter. Get the confidence because you are having long time. Right now, you start reading all the chapters at a time. It become mix up. The one chapter you do. Suppose out of 10 chapters, you finish first 5 chapters completely, which are easier. Then go to 6 chapters, 7 chapter like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Chanchal, you are understanding what I'm saying here? Any more doubt you are having, Rasul?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Any more doubts you are having?
Sir, one more.
Okay, tell me that question. I'll clear it right now.
I'm posting in the chat.
Okay, fine. Chat box. Aja, this is assertion reasoning, right?
So 35th question, the same what we are doing.
Okay, same only. Acha, you've done all this, Rasul. This is all you have done before.
Not
Can
done,
you
sir.
get these questions from?
Okay. Randomly you are asking, right?
Yes.
Okay. Assertion is the value of y is 6, for which the distance between the value of y is 6, for which the distance between point this and this is 10. So what they have given, what you are not able to understand here? See, this is a line, one line is given here. And they have given that this point is 2, -3. And this point is 10, y. Distance between them is 10. The value of y is 6 is true or false. See, if this point is A, this point is B. So 10 is equals to what you can write? 10 minus 2 whole square, that is 8 square. And plus y plus 3 whole square. And here we can write whole square, right? Squaring both sides we do. So 100 minus 8 square, that is 64, is equals to y plus 3 whole square, right? So here we'll get 36 is equals to y plus 3. And here you can take a root. Okay. So y plus 3 is equals to what? Plus minus 6 will come. So y is equal to, you'll get plus 6 minus 3. Y is equals to plus 6 minus 3, that is what? 3 only, and y is equals to -9 also. 2 answers are coming, no? Rasul?
Yes, sir.
If you remove the square, plus and minus both will come here. Coordinates. So y will be 3 also and -9 also, right?
Yes.
So what they have given, and distance between two given points is given by this one. So both assertion A and reasoning R are true, and R is the correct explanation of assertion.
Sir, A is false, but R is.
A is false, but R is true, right?
Yes.
What is the answer given, Rasul?
It is given that one, sir. Option.
Sir, it's given assertion is false, but reason is true.
Reason is true. Why this is false? They have given because y answer will be 3 and what? -9. Obviously, that will become completely wrong. Correct? Y 6 is given means completely wrong only. So false. And R is true. Why you understood? Here, first one, A and assertion and reasoning are true. So obviously, first one is completely wrong. So no use of it. Both assertion and reasoning are true. So this is also wrong. Assertion A is true. Here only gone 3 cases. Understood? Any more doubts you are having, Rasul?
No, sir.
Okay, children, we'll stop the meeting here itself. And all the things we do, just make a list which you're having doubts and all. Okay. We'll do in the next class. Thank you, children. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.